Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps right now. Check battery health and note capacity and percent so you know the baseline. This tells you if replacement is imminent. Turn off GPS and Bluetooth and stop background sync to immediately cut drain. Next, lower screen brightness to about 30% and shorten screen timeout to 15-30 seconds. This removes the single largest steady power draw. Once done, monitor the immediate change in discharge rate for 5-10 minutes. Once you see the initial effect, run a battery profiler to find the top 3 consumers. That reveals apps or services causing sustained drain. Force stop, restrict background activity, or uninstall any app using excessive CPU or wake locks. Clearing cache or app data can fix runaway processes. Make sure to set email to fetch manually or increase intervals, and enable System Battery Saver to throttle CPU and background tasks. Also check for rogue widgets or live wallpapers, and remove them to reduce constant redraws and network checks. To finish, update the OS and all apps. Patches often fix battery bugs, then reboot to clear lingering processes. If the system shows odd percentages, calibrate. Charge fully to 100%, then discharge to about 5% once, but do this only if the battery health allows. If drain persists, boot into safe mode to determine whether system services or third-party apps are responsible. Safe mode disables extras so you can compare. If safe mode improves life, uninstall recently added apps one by one until the issue stops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.